Yo, what's up? It's me and Big Bling on the beat. And today we're gonna be doing a mukbang. Not to be cringy or anything, but okay.
Bowling alley fries mukbang.
Yo, look at these fries, bro. These fries are legit. Oh!
Alright, well, I'm gonna try them.
Yeah, these are pretty fire.
No homo.
No homeowner. Yeah, these are really good, actually.
Yeah. Bro, I'm Eli Socrae.
Yeah. Eli Socrae's kind of weird. Bro, remember I found XXX Tentacion? Remember that video?
Yeah, and then he put like the Instagram filter over his face.
Mm-hmm.
And like, hello, I am XXX Tentacion. Eli Socrae is a cool guy. Like and subscribe to him.
And he starts chasing him and saying, suck my dick. And then he starts chasing him. Remember that?
Yeah.
Bro, that video was so bad.
No. But it was also so epic.
Mm-hmm. Can I do it like this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What even is this sauce? What is this?
I think it's ketchup.
Ketchup?
It's kind of spicy, but it's also kind of good.
Bad.
What do you mean?
Yeah, honestly,
Stop being a brat.
no homo. These are some fire fries. Yeah. Okay, this is some fire ranch too. Yeah. Ranch
Bro,
is
I'm
like-
trying the ketchup. Ugh! Oh, that's nasty.
Hey, bro. Use ketchup.
Bro, just...
You know what I'm gonna do?
No, don't.
I'm gonna do.
Don't. No, stop.
Okay. Ranch?
No, I accidentally...
Bruh. Okay, ranch. My opinion on it is it's usually trash,
Yeah.
but this ranch is fire.
Yeah,
Okay.
bro, it's pretty fire.
I'm gonna try the ketchup now. Right.
So bad.
Alright, let's try this. Oh! Ew, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Is it spicy?
Yeah, you were warned.
I gotta do it for the clown.
Do it for the
DJ
clown.
City.
Yeah, bro. I'm just gonna edit that on top of like when you said that.
Honestly, the ketchup, it tastes like normal ranch, but like weird.
Yeah. Yeah, the ketchup's kind of
It
ass.
tastes like carrots. Yeah, the ketchup's trash.
Usually they have good ketchup. They just didn't give us ketchup this time. They gave us like hot sauce or some shit.
Probably. Yeah, at least we have the ranch.
No, bro. How are you feeling, bro?
Like a brick.
Before I feel fantastic. Which one would you be, bro? Mr. Fantastic is money like elastic. Burberry, French, so you smoke oregano. I smoke in on that cat piss.
Call me Mr. Bombastic.
Call me Mr. Boombastic.
Oh, he's so epic.
Yeah, Mr. Boombastic.
Oh. He
Bro, do you
died.
know who's more epic? Well,
Who?
Badlands Chugs.
Fast. Bro, we need to cancel Wallo's grandpa because he doesn't like Badlands Chugs.
Yeah, bro. Bro, that was just disgraceful.
Fast.
Like, who doesn't? Bro, this food is fire, bro.
I know, honestly.
Bro, not to be one of those thoughts or anything, but...
You.
No homo, no homo.
Trash.
Bro, do you know who's bad?
Who?
ASMR channels.
Facts.
Like, some types of ASMR are okay.
No.
Bruh. Some are okay, but then, like, the eating and, like, type things, they're just gross, bro.
Bro. Okay, me and Cooper, one time he came over to my house, and we did an ASMR on the Sunnyside ASMR's Instagram.
Ew!
It was a joke.
That's kind of gross.
We played Kumbaya at the end, and then it switched to sicko mode, and we started freaking out. Wait, no, it was Mobamba, actually.
Mobamba's kind of trash.
Hi, Max Wallace.
Max Wallace, bro.
Max Wallace has a death wish.
He does.
Yeah, he was in my marine biology camp.
Was he a bruh?
Yeah.
Was he sus?
Yeah.
Bro, I just looked like somebody came on me. No homo. Bro.
And me and Cassius got into a roast battle.
Oh, I'm trying to back man.
Yeah.
Did you roast Max Wallace though?
No, he wasn't in it.
Oh, pussy.
He really didn't do anything, honestly.
Yeah, he was like classic Max Wallace.
It was me, Cassius, and Manu, and Max. And Max just sat out.
He just sat out and was emo.
Well, bro, Manu was fire. Manu legit won.
Well, mine is fire, bro.
Although, yeah. Bro, I roasted Cassius.
Like, so hard, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, my grandpa feels sorry for Cassius, bro.
Why?
Because of his ears.
But, no, yeah, I roasted him about his ears. Yeah. That's why, bro, you probably win if your roasts were half as good, well, half as big as your ears.
Oh my god. No homo.
Okay.
No homo. Yeah. Now it's just big bling.
Yeah.
Bro. Our idea.
Damn. Bro. Consider jacking off to be a sport.
Because I do.
Yeah, same.
Bro, that video's so epic, bro. Skating Cappuccino is probably the most epic rap group. But we should rename it just in case Max leaves or something. I know if Max leaves, we have to disband it. No, it's true.
Yeah. I don't know why he will leave. Well, he just doesn't make any music anymore, so.
I know, bro. Bro.
I'm almost out of ranch.
The reason why I haven't, why I ate that so fast, because I haven't eaten anything today, no anorexic.
Yeah.
It's because I went to the gym at 8 o'clock. Oh, geez, some water just went in my shoe. Ew. I went to the gym at 8 o'clock.
Water.
And then I took a nap when I came back. And then we went bowling just now.
Yeah.
Bro. Max Wallace hair. I can't do it well because I have curly hair.
So we should do the Max Wallace challenge at 3 a.m.
Yeah, Max Wallace shows up to our house. Oh, bro, look at... I'm so hot. I get all the girls, but my girlfriend really doesn't like me.
Wait, he has a girlfriend?
Yeah, Winter.
Bro, Winter's his girlfriend?
Yeah. Bro, I wish this thing could zoom in. Oh,
Oh,
bro, you can make the lighting so big. Okay, bye.